worksheet questions. F of x determinant is given, you have to find f of 5. So before finding f of 5, let us simplify the determinant by applying properties. For second row, let us apply R2 minus R1. For third row, R3 minus R1. Then f of x will be determinant of x plus 1, x plus 3. By applying R2 minus R1, here you will get 2, 3, 4. R3 minus R1 gives 6, 8, 10. Of course, you can take 2 common from third row. If you take 2 common, then you get 3, 4, 5. Now expand the determinant. 2 into x into 15 minus 16 minus of x plus 1 into 10 minus 12 plus x plus 3 into 8 minus 9. So this is equal to 2 into minus x plus 2x plus 2 minus x minus 3. After simplification, you get minus 2. So f of x is minus 2. Then what will be f of 5? Minus 2. Because the function is constant. Option D, C is correct. This is direct expansion. Expand by determinant by taking first row 1 into b square c cube minus b cube c square minus 1 into expanding by first row a square c cube minus a cube c square plus 1 into a square b cube minus a cube b square. Now, one second. If you look at options, you need to take a square b square common terms. In these two, b square is common. Take b square common. So b square into c cube minus a cube. Now take c square common from these two plus c square into from these two. A cube minus b cube. Next take a square common. B cube from these two minus a cube. Option 2 is correct. Option B is correct. Just expand the determinant by taking first row. Next, determinant of alpha, beta, gamma, A, B, C, L, M, N. This is given as minus 1 whole power k, minus 1 whole power k into another determinant. Then what is the least value of k? And we have one property. If any two rows or columns are interchanged, sign of the determinant changes. So first what I am doing is, I am interchanging C1 and C2. Then I get negative sign. Change first column and second column. So beta B M alpha A L gamma C N. By interchanging first column and second column, negative sign gets one negative sign will get. Next again interchange C2 and C3. You'll get one more negative sign, so minus 1 whole square. Beta B M gamma C N alpha A L. Next interchange third one. C1 and C3. Interchange C1 and C3, then you get minus 1 whole cube again. column, sorry, R1 and R3, not C1, C3, R1 and R3. Interchange R1 and R3. Then you get M, N, L, B, C, A, beta, gamma, alpha, which is given in right hand side. This is given as minus 1 whole power k into, so what is the least value of k means 3. So we have applied that column interchange operation 2 times and row interchange operation 1 time. And we got the RHS, so least value of k is 3. This is a standard result. Determinant of 1a a square, 1b b square, 1c c square will be equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus c. Remember this as a standard result. So k is obviously 1. Next. If the determinant is equal to a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus 1 up to a4 x power 4, then what is a1 plus a3 plus 2 times a2 plus a0 plus a2 plus a? First, put x is equal to 1, the given condition, then determinant of 4, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, 5, minus 2, 3 will be equal to a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. Let us say expand this determinant now. 4 into 3 plus 10 minus 2 into plus 10 minus 2 into 2 is equal to a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. Therefore, a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 will be equal to 13 4s 52 minus 20. 32 minus 4, 28. Let us say it is equation 1. Now put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Then you will get a0 minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4 is equal to, if you put x is equal to minus 1, simplify, you will get some value. Let us say it is equation 2. Add 1 and 2. By adding 1 and 2, which value you get? 2 times a0 plus a2 plus a4 you will get, right? Subtract 1 and 2. If you subtract 1 and 2, you will get 2a1 plus 2a3 you will get. 2a1 plus 2a3 will get, that is 2a1 plus 2a3 value you will get. From that you can find a1 plus a3. From this you can find a0 plus a2 plus a4 and then substitute the values here. The final answer will be minus 1. Listen once again. Put x is equal to 1. You will get this condition. Now put x is equal to minus 1. You will get one more condition like this. Let us say it is equation 2. Add 1 and 2. We require this value 2 into a0 plus a2. By adding those 2, you will get 2 into a0 plus a2 plus a4. By subtracting 1 and 2, you will get 2 times a1 plus a3. 2 times a1 plus a3. From that you can find a1 plus a3 and then substitute here. Then you will get answer as minus 1. See, this is delta 2 is determinant. Okay. What is the value required? Delta 1 by delta 2. Delta 1 is given, delta 2 is given. And we need to find delta 1 by delta 2. Delta 1 is determinant of 1a square a cube, 1b square b cube, 1c square c cube. which is, all these are standard determinants to be remembered. A minus B into B minus C into C minus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Delta 2 will be A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. From this, delta 1 by delta 2 gives AB plus BC plus CA. Option A is correct. Next, determinant is known as ax power 4 plus bx cube so on to e. If a, b, c, d are known, then how to find e? To find e, which is a constant, put x is equal to 0. Because by putting x is equal to 0, right hand side becomes e. Left hand side becomes 1, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 3, 4. By putting x0, remember always to find a constant, you have to put x0. Because x0 gives right hand side as e and left hand side is this determinant. Expand this determinant now, 1 into minus 1 into minus 3 into, so this is 11 plus 3 plus 15, 29. Option A. A of x is given, you have to find integral of a of x. To find integral of a of x, first let us simplify a of x. For that, let us apply for C2, C2 minus 2C1. For C3, C3 minus 3C1. So first column will remain as it is. C2 minus 2C1 gives 0 here, minus 1 here, minus 1 here. C3 minus 3 times C1, 0, minus 2, minus 2. If you expand, then 1 into 2 minus 2. A of x is 0, therefore integral A of x dx is also 0. Option A. Next, small letters ABC represents fifth term, 8th and 13th terms of AP then. So what is A then? Fifth term of AP, which means A plus 4D. B, A plus 7D, 8th term. C, A plus 12D. 5, 1, 8, 1, 13, 1. Next for this, for R2, apply R2 minus R1. For R3, apply R3 minus R1. So first row will remain as it is. R2 minus R1 gives 3D, 3, 0. R3 minus R1 gives 8D, 8, 0. If you expand the determinant by taking third column, then you get 1 into, I am expanding by taking third column, 1 into 24D minus 24D, 0. So option A is correct. If the roots of the equation det A is equal to 0 or L and M, then L cube minus N cube. I think here it should be given that L greater than M. That condition is missing. Expand the determinant, minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 minus x into minus x minus 2 plus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 4 plus x square plus 2x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, which means x square plus 5x minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 minus x into minus x minus 2 plus 1 into 3x minus 2. 4 plus x square plus 2x plus 3x. So x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is not 4. This is 8. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. And if you write factors, then you get x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 3. If L greater than M, then this is L, this is M. Then L cube minus N cube. L cube is minus 8, minus N cube is minus 27. So answer will be 19 under the condition L greater than M. So this condition is missing. So take the condition as L greater than M. Next question. I is equal to 1 to 3, j is equal to 1 to 3, ai square plus bi square plus ci square is equal to 1. This is ai aj, not a1. It is ai. This is ai aj plus bi aj, bj, ci cj is equal to 0 for I j. The question is finding determinant of A into A transpose. This is nothing but det A into det A transpose. And we know that det of A transpose is same as det A. So indirectly the question is finding determinant of A whole square. What is matrix A? What is det A whole square? This is determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 into now det A and det A transpose both are same, so you can write like this. Now write transpose of the second one. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now multiply these two. Then what you get, det A whole square is equal to determinant of first row, first column, what you get, A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square, which is given as 1 from this. Next, A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 is given as 0 here. Next, A1 C1 plus A2 C2 plus A3 C3 is also 0. So like that, after multiplying those two, you get like this. This is nothing but 1. So det A whole square is 1. Question is finding det A whole square. Option B. So remember, ai square plus bi square plus ci square is given as 1. And ai aj plus bi bj plus ci caj is equal to 0 means a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. a1 a3 plus b1 b3 plus c1 c3 is equal to 0. Everything will be 0 here. So det A whole square you will get it as 1. Next, det of a power 10 is equal to 1024 given. See, det of a power n is nothing but det A whole power n, where n is a natural number. So this can be written as det A whole power 10 is equal to 2 power 10. From this, det A is equal to 2. But what is det A from the given matrix? Minus alpha cube minus 25 is equal to 2. So from this, alpha cube is equal to minus 27, which means alpha is equal to minus 3. Option C. Next, matrix A is given, B is given. You have to find determinant of 2 times B inverse A inverse. We have property like this. Det of Ka is nothing but K power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. So this is like det of Ka. N is 3, 3 by 3 matrix. So 2 power 3 into det of B inverse A inverse. This is nothing but det of B inverse into det of A inverse. And we know that det of B inverse is nothing but 1 by det B. Det of A inverse is nothing but 1 by det A. So find det A, det B from the given matrices and substitute here. Your final answer will be minus 1 by 6. You know how to find det A and det B. Find the values and then substitute. So this property is very important. Det of K is equal to K power n into det A. And det of AB is nothing but det A into det B. These are the properties which we have used in this question. Det of A inverse is nothing but 1 by det A. Option D is correct. It's the equation whose roots are the values of that equation. Just expand the given determinant by taking the first row 1 into 6x square minus 12x plus 3 into x square minus 4 plus 1 into 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 6x square plus 3x square, 9x square minus 12x plus 3x minus 9x minus 9x minus 18 is equal to 0, which means x square minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Option D. Now this is a standard question. A plus B plus 2C, A, B, C, C, 2A plus B plus C, B, A plus 2B plus. This is nothing but 2 times A plus B plus C. This is a standard result. But that is given as 2. 2 is equal to 2 times A plus B plus C whole cube. From this, you get A plus B plus C as 1. But what is required? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. The factors for this are A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Already A plus B plus C is 1, so this is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. But still you have to simplify. Square this condition on both sides. And what is A plus B plus C whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 1. Then what is A square plus B square plus C square from this? 1 minus, substitute this A square plus B square plus C square value from this in this condition. Then what you get? 1 minus of 2 into AB plus BC plus CA minus of AB plus BC plus CA. So 1 minus 3 times. Option A is correct. Substitute A square plus B square plus C square from this in that result. Here 1 minus of 2 into AB plus BC plus CA and one more AB plus BC plus CA is there. So 1 minus 3 into AB plus BC plus CA. Option A is correct. Now this can be done easily by taking let AB. This is a shortcut method. Let ABC is equal to 1. Therefore given determinant becomes 0. So which option gives 0 by taking ABC 1? Option C. Take any numbers for ABC and simplify and verify from the options. Now there is a mistake here. It is not 14 degrees, it should be 24 degrees. So sine square 24. Sine 66 can be written as 90 minus 24, which is sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So this is cos 24, so cos square 24. Tan 135 if you find, you will get minus 1. Again sine square 66 is nothing but cos square 24. Tan 135 minus 1. As I said, it is not 14, it is 24. Sine square 24. Tan 135 minus 1. Again sine square 24. Sine square 66. Cos square 24. So remember, this is not 14, it is 24. Now, for first column, apply C1 plus C2 plus C3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 minus 1, 0. Here also will get 0, here also will get 0. If any row or column has all zeros, the value of determinant is 0. So option D is correct. So there is a mistake in the question. It is not 14 degrees, it is 24 degrees. And here sin 66 is nothing but sin of 90 minus 24, which is cos 24. And for column 1, apply C1 plus C2 plus C3. Column 1 becomes 0. If any row or column has all zeros, then the value of the determinant is 0. Next, delta is given, delta 1 is given. We have to find relation between. For that, I am simplifying delta 1. I am dividing with ABC and I am multiplying with ABC. That multiplication I am doing like this. I am multiplying first column with A, second column with B, third column with C. So divide with ABC and multiply with ABC. That multiplication what I did? I multiplied first column with A, second column with B, third column with C. Now I can take ABC common from second row. Take ABC common from second row. Then I get 1, 1, 1. A square, B square, C square. These two gets cancelled. So delta 1 is equal to. Now interchange first row and second row, then you get minus sign. Interchange first row and second row. Now we know that determinant of a matrix and determinant of its transpose both are same. So take transpose now. This is nothing but delta, so it's minus sign. So delta 1 is equal to minus delta. Of course, option A is also correct. But the perfect answer should C. Delta 1 is equal to minus delta. Next, AN is given. So what is delta AN? This is 1 minus n whole square minus n square. So this is 1 plus n square minus 2n. So this is 1 minus 2n. This is delta AN. And what is required for us? Delta A1. What is delta A1? Put n is equal to 1, you will get minus 1. Delta A2. 10 is equal to 2, you will get minus 3. Delta A3. Or instead of that, the required value delta A1 plus delta A2, that can be written as sigma delta AN. N is equal to 1 to 2021. You can write like this. It is equal to sigma 1 minus 2n. N is equal to 1 to 2021. this is nothing but sigma 1 minus 2 times sigma n. N is equal to 1 to 2021. What is sigma 1? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2021 times. So 2021 minus 2 times. What is the meaning of sigma n? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 2021. So 2021 minus 2 into sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Take 2021 common, then you get 1 minus 2022. So 1 minus 2022 is nothing but minus 2021 into 2021. So minus 2021 whole square. Option C is correct. If there are two values of, I think it should be small letter a. If there are two values of a, which makes a determinant 86, then sum of these numbers. Expand the determinant 1 into 2a square plus 4 plus 2 into 4a plus 5 into 8 is equal to 86. So this is 2a square plus 8a plus 44 minus 86, 42. Minus 42 is equal to 0. From this, a square plus 4a minus 21 is equal to 0. There are two values for a. I will find sum of the two numbers. Let us say those two numbers are a1 and a2. And this is a quadratic equation. Indirectly, the question is finding sum of the roots. What is sum of roots of quadratic equation? Minus b by a. So answer is minus 4. Option A. Next, if A and B are matrices of order 3 and det A is equal to 4, 5, det B is equal to 8, then det of, what is det of k into A? K power n into det A. What is det of AB? Det A into det B. That is equal to 27 into 5 into 3. Simplify that, we will get 585. Option D. Det of k power n into det A. Det of AB, det A into det B. Next, if A and B are which of the two invertible matrices, that is which has A inverse and B inverse, then which of the following is not correct? First option is correct because the formula for A inverse is adjoint A by det A. And if you do cross multiplication, you will get adjoint A as det A into A inverse, that is A inverse. So first option is correct. But the question is which of the following is not correct? What is det of A inverse? Already we discussed this property. 1 by det A. 1 by det A means det A whole power minus 1. So second option is correct. Next third, that is AB whole inverse. We know that AB whole inverse is B inverse into A inverse. So third option is also correct. So which one of the following is not correct? Fourth option. This is not correct. Because A plus B whole inverse is not B inverse. See, A plus B whole inverse is not equal to B inverse plus A inverse. There is no such property. So which of the following is not correct? It's option D. Next, f of x is given. You have to find limit x tends to pi f of x. First expand the determinant. Then you get cos x into 4 cos square x minus 3 minus 1 into 0. So this is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the formula for cos 3x. And what is required? Limit x tends to pi f of x. F of x means cos 3x. Put x is equal to pi, you will get cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi is minus 1 because cos n phi is minus 1 whole power n, where n is any integer. So here cos 3 pi is minus 1 whole cube, which is minus 1. Option A. Next, A is a matrix of order 3, so n is equal to 3. Det A is given as 5. Det of A into adjoint A. This is nothing but det A into det of adjoint A. In synopsis, we discussed about det of adjoint A. Formula is det A whole power n minus 1. So det A power n into det A whole power n minus 1 is det A whole power n. Det A is 5, n is 3, 5 cube is 125. Option A is right. Next, f of x is given. You have to find which of the given option is correct. I am finding f of 0. What is f of 0? 0, a, b, minus a, minus b, 0, c. Which type of matrix is this? It is a skew symmetric matrix. We know that determinant of, this is a very important point, this is determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is always 0. So this is a skew symmetric matrix of order 3 and hence its determinant will be 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0. So you can do by verification like this. Remember, determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is 0. Here order is 3, which is odd number. And by putting x is equal to 0, we got the given determinant as skew symmetric. So f of 0 is 0. Option B. Matrix A is given, B is given. You have to find determinant of A into B dash means B transpose. This is nothing but det A into det B into det B transpose. And we know that det of B transpose is nothing but det B. What is det A? 2 minus 12 minus 10. What is det B? 4 plus 1, 5 into 5. So minus 250. Option C. Already I told you, to get constant term in the expansion, you have to put x is equal to 0. Because if you expand this, you may get a0 plus some a1x plus a2x square plus so on. How to get this constant term? By putting x0. Because if you put x0, all the terms becomes 0 except the constant term. So remember, already somewhere I told you, to get constant term in the given expansion, put x is equal to 0. If you put x0, what you get here? 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1. So by putting x0, you will get the constant term is equal. Expand this determinant 1 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 into plus 3 plus 2 into 3. So answer is 6. Option D. So to get constant term, always put x is equal to 0. Next, you have to find determinant of that matrix. For that, for first column, apply C1 minus C2. Then what you get? C1 minus C2 means A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square? 4AB. So what you get here? 4. A into B means 5 power x into 5 power minus x, which is 1. So here you will get 4, here you will get 4, here you will get 4. Remaining two columns will be as it is. Now take 4 common from the first column. Then you get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If any two rows or columns are identical, its determinant is 0. So 0. Option D.